Hello and welcome from the TV room. This is a different angle. I thought, not a bad thing to snag the camera, which is really an iPhone, and let you see that indeed the LEDs are working, the LEDs are sharing, and we're running through the Handic VIC-SWITCH made in Sweden. Now, all the program is doing today here is it's initializing and then counting to 1,000 and initializing. So all three Commodore 64s that are connected are running the exact same program, and indeed, the one in 4, the one in 6, the one in 8, they're all sharing, and every little while the drive is flashing, and the LEDs are flashing, and it's all good. So, as I said before, I think I will maybe try and find a fourth Commodore 64 and see what's what. But I did want you to, in fact, see that, yes, it's happening. I don't know how it decides in what order, if there is a way. I'm going to press run stop on one of them. Oh, maybe it didn't. Maybe it didn't stop. Okay. Yeah, now it's just going between... Oh, maybe the keyboard's dirty. Anyway, now it's just going between 6 and 8. I will type in run on this machine in front of me, and we'll see. Oh yeah, there's 4, there's 6, there's 8. It's back. It's working. It's cooking. So, I'll continue to test and torment and see what I can do in the TV room with the VicSwitch. And there up in the corner is a sticker. Yes, indeed. Thank you, Rudy, from Rudy's Retro Intel. Bye for now.